Why is his chest hurting so much? Is it something dangerous or simple?
Great question. Chest pain can be scary because it feels serious. But in most kids and teens, it usually comes down to two main causes. One is muscle strain, the other is anxiety. Muscle strain comes from tight or overworked chest muscles. Anxiety pain comes from stress signals that squeeze the chest. Today we will follow the clues, the timing, and the feelings to see which one fits this mystery.
So, what does that actually mean?
It means the chest can hurt, even when the heart is totally healthy. That is important to know. Muscle strain happens when chest wall muscles get irritated from stretching, lifting, or bad posture. Anxiety chest pain comes from your body's alarm system sending false danger signals to the chest. For kids, the simple version is this. Muscles hurt from movement. Anxiety hurts from worry.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, because the brain controls how tight or relaxed your chest becomes. The brain leads the body. Stress activates the sympathetic nervous system. This creates a muscle tension spike and can cause sharp or squeezing pain. Movement-related pain comes from intercostal muscles getting irritated. Both types send strong signals through nerve pathways. The brain can misread these as something dangerous, even when the body is safe.
How does this show up in real life?
Muscle strain feels sharp with movement, deep breaths, or twisting. The pain changes with motion. Anxiety chest pain feels tight, heavy, or like you cannot breathe well. It feels more internal. Triggers for strain include sports, stretching, backpacks, or slouching. Triggers for anxiety include worry, stress, panic, or big emotions. Relief for strain comes from rest and gentle stretching. Relief for anxiety comes from slow breathing and calming the stress loop.
So, small equals big?
Yes, because small choices add up. Little habits matter. One bad posture day can turn into repeated muscle strain. One stressful moment can grow into a bigger anxiety loop. It is like a small crack spreading in a sidewalk. The earlier you reset your posture or calm your thoughts, the easier it is to stop the pain pattern from growing.
So, how do I start?
Start with 3 simple steps. Easy and safe. First, slow breathing to calm the sympathetic stress loop. Second, gentle chest and shoulder stretching to relax intercostal muscles. Third, posture reset by rolling shoulders back and opening the chest. These steps help relax tight muscles, reduce anxiety tension, and teach your brain new safer patterns.
What should we do today?
Your challenge today is to try 1 slow breathing round and 1 posture reset. Pay attention. Notice how your chest feels afterward. Small changes matter. Then comment the word calm to show your detective work. If this episode helped, subscribe to keep leveling up your health skills. Your chest sends signals to protect you, not to scare you. The body is trying to help. When you learn the difference between muscle strain and anxiety, you gain control over your body, instead of feeling controlled by it. Small steps today build a stronger, healthier mind and body tomorrow. Keep observing your clues, detective.
See you in the next episode.